Network Entertainment.
May kakilala ba kayong mga taong may mga pera pero walang oras? Or may kakilala ba kayong mga taong maraming oras pero walang pera? Pero ang pinakamasakit niyan, alam mo, may kakilala akong mga tao, wala ng pera, wala pang oras. Maybe you're rich in time but not in cash. The question is, how can you still enjoy life when you don't have enough? Let's talk about it.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan, and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive, to our podcast. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention, and that is what we call as time. We always focus on money, but we never focus on time. My late principal made mention, if money is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if time is lost, everything is lost. Because you can never recover time. You cannot stop time. And maybe you work hard, save hard, but do you ever ask yourself, am I actually making a living or making a life? Some people are alive, but they don't have lives. So many people chase money thinking that that's the ultimate goal. But question is, what if you're burned out? Question is, what if you are disconnected with your family? What if, let's say, you don't have good health? So in this episode, we're going to talk about why time is the most valuable currency, how to balance earning with actually living, and what it means to build wealth. Number one, let's be real. Many people don't have a money problem, but they have a time problem. You earn more, but you also work for more. You buy more, and you barely use what you bought because you don't have time. You say you were doing this for your family, but you're too tired to even have dinner with your loved ones. You know, there was a survey on 2023 according to Gallup study that 56% of workers worldwide feel they are chronically stressed about work and finances. Even if they're earning well, but they don't have time really to enjoy it. So here's the truth. Kung ang calendar mo talaga is always full of your work, business, career, you know what? Let me tell you this. Kahit na napaka-successful ka, I can assure you, your heart still feels empty and you feel that you are not wealthy. You overwork, at the same time you are stressed. So, kailangan po natin matutong balansehin. Okay lang na kumita, okay lang talaga humataw, pero kailangan mag-iwan ka pa rin ng oras. So, what does it mean to be rich naman in time? Alam nyo, pagka mayaman ka sa oras, it means to say that you have time to breathe. You have time to rest. You have time to reconnect. You have time to reflect. You have time to enjoy. It means say that you don't have to prove anything to anyone in order for you to gain acceptance. According to Harvard, they made a research and found out that people who prioritize time over money has greater happiness and life satisfaction. Ang perfect example niyan dito sa Pilipinas, hindi naman maraming tao ang maraming ika nga ng pera, pero alam mo, according to NSO, ang daming mga Pilipino kahit konti lang kinikita pero masaya. Bakit? Parati kasama ka nilang pamilya, kasama ka nilang mga barkada, di ba? So in other words, we are one of the happiest people in the world despite of some financial challenges. So the question that you and I need to ask, kailangan natin mabalance ito eh. What's more important and valuable to you? ₱1 million in your account? Or the ability to wake up slowly, eat breakfast with your kids, and feel at peace? And I'm sure sasabihin mo, Chinky, mas maganda kang both. If you would have to choose one, na milyonaryo ka pero wala kang oras sa pamilya mo, or simple lang ang buhay pero meron ka namang oras para sa pamilya mo. You know what? I know that your answer will be just like mine. Mas maganda na simple lang ang buhay pero maraming oras para sa pamilya. And you know what? You and I know this. Quality time to a family is spelled as quantity time. Kaya nga, kung gusto mo talaga to buy back your time right now, you realize in this episode, yes, it's not only about money and success, it's all about also giving time to your loved ones. So, kung hindi talaga nagkakasya, or if any one of you is listening to this podcast and you really need to work, you really need to push, you need to go overseas in order for you to make more, alam mo, may choice ka eh. At the end of the day, ano yung choice mo? If you really want to have more time with your family, you can spend less so that you can work less. The less your lifestyle costs, the more freedom you gain. Simplify lang natin. No? Buy time without spending a peso. Right? Kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-overseas talaga kung simple lang talaga ang buhay. Maghanap kayo ng pagkakitaan dito, aanhin mo, ang dami mong perang pinapadala kung hindi mo naman ma-enjoy kasama ang iyong pamilya. Number 2, another thing that you can consider is design your days, not just your pay. Don't let your job, your schedule, your business control you. Alam nyo, you know what we do? At the start of the year, lahat ng mga birthday, anniversary, kasal, family, vacation, binablock na namin yan sa calendar. Like appointments that we cannot cancel. So, once we block it out, doon kami gagawa ng mga schedule around those priorities. And another thing that you and I should consider, yes, I know na mahalaga na kailangan kumita, hindi naman pwede panay time lang sa pamilya, wala namang kakaining bigas. Alam mo, I would suggest that you have to look at opportunity or invest your time that frees you with more time. Ang dapat maghanap po tayo ng mga passive income. Diba? Hanap po tayo ng mga system, frameworks that allow you to build it once and then you can sell it online and you can earn it over and over again. Marami na rin po nagiging digital nomad, di ba? They go overseas in order for them to really enjoy a good quality of life. And another thing, in order for you to enjoy time, even you don't have much, you should learn how to value experiences over things. Mas maganda na yung, di ba, pipiknik kayo, kahit wala naman kayong magagandang cellphone, hindi nyo kailangan talaga bumiyahe ng local or let's say global, di ba, international, in order for you to enjoy. Alam nyo, study shows memories bring longer lasting happiness than things and stuff. Alam mo, importante na kailangan po talaga tayo magkaroon ng quality time with our family. And last but not the least, let me encourage you. Set your priorities. Protect your peace like this is your business asset. So, every time kung may opportunity, nakikita ka pero wala ka namang peace of mind, pumili ka. Diba? Maraming kita, magandang kita, pero walang peace of mind. Or sapat lang ang kita, diba? Enough lang yung kita, pero may peace of mind ka. So, kung titignan po natin, if you have to choose, you have a choice pa rin at the end of the day. And can I be honest as I close? Alam mo, there was a season in my life that I was earning a lot. Pero sa totoo lang, nag-suffer na yung quality time with my family. That was the year, I think, 2006. It came to a point, my business was growing. However, my time with my family is sacrificing. That's the reason why I prayed really hard. And it was really a difficult decision. In 2006, I sold all my businesses. Why? The reason why I'm working and setting up a company, it's not for me to make more money. It's for me to have time with the family. Pero yun nga, nababaliktad. But by the grace of God, in the year 2008, I was able to step into this new professional career, and that is content creation, communication, writing books. And this moment has changed everything. I designed my work around my family. Family is priority. So, ang ginawa ko, I choose to be with my family rather than making more. I choose rest over recognition. And guess what? The more peace I gained, the better my finances became. So, I just want to challenge you, if you're listening to this podcast and you have the same issue just like me, ang encouragement ko sa iyo, ladies and gentlemen, is pumili ka. Pumili ka kung ano mas mahalaga sa iyo. What is your priority in life? Do not worry, because God will honor your heart and God will provide. Find a new opportunity, a new business, a new job that can give you both money and time. If this episode spoke to you, share it with someone else who needs to be reminded to slow down and breathe. Maraming salamat. Okay, Tatandaan, as I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.